Okay, let's go.
This is probably the cutest little power station I've ever seen in my life. This is the EcoFlow Trail 300. Now, EcoFlow, I've covered EcoFlow a bunch of times. I'll link to my home backup system video I did earlier up here. They do everything from complete home backup battery systems to portable power stations to power kit like I run in my camper to your more standard traditional power station that most people think of, all the way down to little bitty guys like this, as well as phone chargers. This very well might be the ultimate phone charger. This is a 288 watt hour portable power station. Now, there are no AC outlets on this, so you can't plug in just a normal wall outlet into it, which on one hand is kind of a downside. I would like to have at least one AC outlet in. However, that would require additional components to make this a little bit bigger and a little bit heavier. Right now, this thing is tiny, it's super light, nice little handle on here to hang it from and carry it with. But we've got four different outlets, ways to put power out of this thing and into your devices. So we've got two USB-C ports. Each of those can do up to 140 watts. You got dual USB-A ports, and then we've got a 12-volt car socket down here. Now, when it comes to recharging it, you can charge it back up in a few different ways. You can charge it through this car socket. You can charge it over solar, which you got right here. It can do up to 110 watts of solar and 110 watts up to on the DC side for 12 volt. And we can do charge in both using both the USB-C ports at 140 watts each. So you can put some serious power into this and get it from zero to charge up to full in right about 85 minutes. So it isn't overly fast, but it does get you charged back up in under 2 hours with if you're doing enough power for the dual USB-C ports on it. Now, using this, like I said, it's 288 watt hour. You get up to 140 watts out. So this is gonna be able to run laptops, charge your phones up, charge up drones, everything like that. And being super portable, this is a great thing to take with you camping if you're just trying to plug up a lot of devices that can run off of USB-C, which a lot of devices these days can. So this can make a real great option for that. Now, this doesn't connect to an app. A lot of EcoFlow products do connect to their app, so you can monitor different parts of the device and integrate it with other devices. This does not do that. This is just a simple power station for charging up your devices with. So it doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, which is fine. However, it does follow EcoFlow's consistent quality standards. So this does have a lithium iron phosphate battery. So it's gonna be a lot better in terms of rechargeability and overall longevity of the battery itself. It also runs EcoFlow's battery management system to watch for overcurrent temperature issues and everything like that. And it's checking that thousands of times per second to verify that everything is safe with this. It isn't water resistant, which I would like to see some water resistance on something that is called the Trail and meant for camping. It is dust resistant. It is IP30 dust and water resistant. So you get a little bit of dust protection on it, no water protection. It is have 5 different layers of protection, so if it gets dropped or bumped around to make sure the battery and the components in it stay safe. So it's got a nice display on front, tells you your charge state, how much battery is in it, how much it thinks you'll be able to get, how long you'll be able to run, depending on the output of the charge, how quickly it's charging up based on how fast it's or how much power is going into it. So all that is kept track of on the display here. But outside of that, it's a relatively simple device. It's easy to use. It's gonna be able to get you charged up. Take this with you when you're going on road trips, going camping, keep things charged up no matter where you're going. USB-C, USB-A, and 12-volt car socket. So you got some good options with this thing. It's nice, portable, compact. They do have a couple other options. There is a 200 model and a 300 plus, which I have on the way. I'll have shortly. But it's this expands some of the capabilities of this and adds a light and a few other features. So I'm excited to test that out when I get it. But if you have any questions about this or any other portable power stations, be sure to leave them down in the comments. I'll try and help you out. Thanks for watching. I got tons more videos coming up from smart lights to robot mowers, robot vacuums, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Okay, let's go.